Hello everyone, good day. Today we're gonna be discussing a new interesting topic and it is all about the development of modern classification. Alright, so why is it important to study the development of the modern classification? Yes, by classifying, scientists can study families of organisms and see the difference or similarities as well as see the unique traits to each kingdom. Okay, so before we proceed, let's describe what classification is. So classification is putting things into orderly groups based on similar physical characteristics. So on the other hand, taxonomy is the science of naming and classifying living things. So let's continue. So let's proceed to the history of classification. We have here Aristotle, the first to classify organisms, and classified all organisms as either plant or animal, grouped by physical characteristics, for example, hair or no hair. We might ask, who discovered the development of modern classification? So here is the answer. In the 18th century, Carl Linnaeus published a system for classifying things which has been developed into the modern classification system. So he is also known as the father of modern taxonomy. Linnaeus also gave us binomial nomenclature. It is a two words names based on Latin and Greek. So first word is capitalized and the second word is not. Both words should be underlined or either italicized. So for example, Felis domesticus. Today, scientists use a system similar to Linnaeus' system with 8 levels of classification based on common characteristics. So on the levels, the first one is domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So we also have here acronyms or mnemonics that will help you remember the different levels. So dancing kangaroos prefer candy over fancy green spaghetti. Or you can also use my favorite acronym for the taxonomy system. Do keep ponds clean or fishes get sick. So it depends on you on what mnemonics you're going to use in order to remember all the levels of taxonomy. So we have here the example. So in the domain, we have here Eukarya, in kingdom, Animalia, in phylum, Chordata, in class, Mammalia, and in order, Primate. In family, Hominidae, in genus, Homo, and in species, Sapiens. So again, binomial nomenclature is the scientific way of naming organisms and it uses two words. The first word of the two-word name identify the genus of the organism. So a genus is a group of similar species. And the second word of the name usually describes a feature. This is the species name. So let's have the example. The genus is Ursus and the species is Americanus. We have here 4 genus Ursus. First one is Ursus Americanus. The second one is Ursus arctos. The third one, Ursus maritimus. And the fourth one is Ursus thibetanus. So as what you have observed, they are in the similar genus Ursus. Okay, so why should we use scientific names? There are 4 reasons why we should use scientific names. The first one, scientific names help avoid mistakes. Often, common names for 2 different organisms are the same, or one organism has many different common names. Second one, organisms with similar evolutionary histories are classified together. Because of this, you know that organisms in the same genus are related. Third, scientific names give descriptive information about the species. For example, black bear is called Ursus americanus. The brown bear is called Ursus arctos, and the grizzly bear is called Ursus arctos horribilis. And the last one, scientific names allow information about organisms to be organized easily and efficiently. So when we see the family name Orchidae, we know that it must be a beer. I hope that you have learned something on the 8 different level of classifications, which are the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Make use of the acronym and the mnemonics in order to remember these levels of classifications quickly. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us all.